Oh man, sorry, I ran out of time there. So let's welcome to part two of using the Edamame recipe API. Now, where we left off is that we just interpolated that image address in for the source of this image in the card that we put here. Whew. Now, I just want to remind people that I hope that you're using backticks for these. That's the one under the escape key, so you can actually interpolate. So let's see what this looks like when we actually press the search button. We press the button, and look at that. We got some pizza dough there. Pretty cool. Not bad, right? So this is good. This is a great start. Now, there's probably a little bit more. We want maybe this card title, instead of saying card title, maybe it will say the actual title of what this is. So let's get that going. So if you go once again to hits, and we go to 0, and we go to recipe, and you'll see here that it has like a label. We want to use a label. So we're going to click on this. I'm going to copy the property path. And let's go down to here where it says card title, and let's interpolate that in. So let's go like this, $sign. You see these double quotes again? I don't know why that happens, but let's delete that out because it will not work without it. And we forgot, sorry, data dot hits 0, recipe label. Let's try this. We'll press the button. And look, not bad. It says pizza dough. All right, we got an image, we got a pizza dough. This is looking good. Now there's a whole bunch of other stuff you can add in here, but what I want to do is I want to make it so where this button says go somewhere, when I click it, it actually like goes to like the original recipe. So people will be like, oh look, that's like a cool recipe. Maybe I'll do that one. When it says go somewhere, when they click it, let's have it actually take them to the recipe. So if you look here, once again, you go to hits, over here, recipe, you'll see that there's a URL. This URL is the actual like recipe. So if you actually put that into your browser, which I'm doing right now, you'll see that this is like where the actual recipe comes from. So maybe people want a little more detail, they want to see the original. Let's do that. So we'll go here once again. So let's copy this property path, go here, and see where it says the href? That's where you put links. So for this A tag, remember those are anchor tags, those are where links go. $sign. Let's do data dot, take out these double quotes again. Oops, got my 0. Recipe.url. Let's press button. Okay, when we click this, hey look, it takes us to the actual website. This is looking good. This is like a real thing. Now, I don't like that this says button, so sorry. It's just bothering me. Like, it's driving me crazy. Let's change that to actually say search. I got to do that originally, so we'll go to index. Let's change that where it says button right here. Let's change that to search. Okay. So now it says search. Beautiful. Search. We get this. And then this right here needs to go. Like, that is not what should be there. So, like, let's put in some more information. There's a lot of great stuff that comes back here. Let's see what we got here. We can put, maybe we'll put source. Yeah, let's just add the source so people know what this is coming from. We're not like, you know, we'll give credit where credit's due. So copy property path. Now, other things you could put in, these are some ideas. You could have put the amount of calories. So this thing has 2,622 calories. You could put health labels, like this is vegetarian, this is peanut free. So maybe like people are concerned about like they have allergies and stuff like that. That has ingredients, ingredient lists, right? So you can actually add this, so like on the card. But I'm going to leave that for you guys in your creativity. I'm just going to put this here myself. So let's see. Let's take out this part where it says like all this text. $sign, data dots. Let's copy that property path. And here we go. And we'll just say this. Source. Nice. Let's take a look. We'll press the button. And look at that. We have like a functioning recipe app, right? So this is pretty good. The one thing that's bothering me is that this isn't spaced out. So I'm going to show you something you can do here. You see how it's like up against the side? Blah, ugh, blah, blah, blah. It's killing me. I hate it. It's the worst thing I've ever seen. So what we're going to do is, here, watch this. Where it says class card, we'll do this thing again. So I'm going to say col3 offset 1. Actually call, yeah. Let's see how that looks. So I press this. All right, that looks a little bit nicer. See how there's a little space right there? Now, there's another way to do that. You could have also just gone like this. See where this class is card? Here's another cool thing we could do. We'll just go like this, card, and we'll just say like margin, and we can put some margin on this thing. Margin 50 pixels. So now there's a little space around the whole thing. And oh, that looks so good. Yeah, let's do it that way. Don't worry about that call thing I just did. Now we're talking. All right, so now we actually have something that I think looks closer to professional. All right, it's looking good. It looks great, in fact. So it's now up to you to start adding features to this. Now, here are some ideas, and of course, this is written on the assignment page, but here's some things we can do. First, this thing always searches up pizza, right? It is hard-coded to always do pizza. Can you look it up? Can you figure out how to make it so you could actually search like different things? Like I could put in chicken and like chicken recipe comes up here. I could put in tacos and taco recipe comes in, right? Right now I'm always getting pizza. And if I want to change it, I have to like go like this, which obviously the user can't do. Let's see what happens when what comes up for tacos. I'm interested. Ooh, freezer taco kit recipes. Not exactly what I was looking for. So that's one challenge you could do. Second thing is, you'll see that we got 10 recipes back, only one showing. Maybe you want to have like 5 of these recipes show up, maybe like 10, who knows, right? Maybe a few more of these recipes can pop up. That would be really nice to do. You can customize some of these things, like these don't actually make sense. Maybe you could put some words here so people know what this website actually does. There's a lot of styling you could do. You could give this a nice little linear gradient in the background. There's ideas for days, right? Or you can add like, you could add ingredients over here. There's so much more that you could do with this. This is just a showing you of how quickly, I know you're saying this isn't quick, this has been like 20 minutes, but like really, this is quickly to use an API to make this recipe website that, hey, we can look up great things here. Let's just do one more. Let's see, pasta. We're getting good pasta recipes. Let's find out. Pasta frittata recipe. All right. I'm going to go make a pasta frittata. Peace out, and good luck with the rest of this project.